Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Preston House and Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. The Preston House and Hotel located in Riverhead, 3.1 miles from Tanger Outlets Riverhead. The Preston House and Hotel offers amenities including a seasonal outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. 3.7 miles from Splish Splash, the hotel features a garden and a bar. The accommodations provides a 24-hour front desk and luggage storage for guests. All rooms features air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a coffee machine, a shower, free toiletries and a desk. The hotel offers some units that have city views, and each room comes with a private bathroom and a wardrobe. All guest rooms will provide guests with a fridge. A continental breakfast can be enjoyed in the breakfast area. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.